Shalom. We see in this week's Torah portion, Vayekel, that Yodhe had Moses gather his people and then commanded them 6 days work, but keep my Shabbat. Now remember, they were building his tabernacle, but Yodhe reminded them, however noble you may think it is, this is my Shabbat. I rested from work, so should you. Can you create? No. So rest as I did. Do not disturb my nature. Rest. Shabbat on my day, Saturday. Do not play God, for I am the I am that I am. You see, Yodhe, when he gathered his people, he commanded his people, and that is all his people, all that call on his son's name, Jews, Israel, and church. His people, I command, rest on my Shabbat. Yodhe word is just as true today as it was when he wrote it with his finger. You see, my God's not a covenant-breaking God. His word is truth, for Yeshua is the word. So lean on his word. And as I said yesterday in my Dress Talk video, do not melt the word of Yodhe to mold to your walk. Mold your walk after his word and do as Yeshua did. Rest on Yodhe Shabbat. Shalom.